Can an LLC deduct gym membership? No. An LLC generally cannot deduct a gym membership if it is for personal use. The IRS considers personal fitness expenses to be non-deductible, even if staying healthy indirectly benefits your business. The only exception is if the gym membership is provided as part of a wellness program for employees and is primarily for business purposes. In that case, the expense may qualify as a deductible fringe benefit. For the owner of a single-member LLC, however, a personal gym membership is almost always considered a personal expense, not a business one. Trying to deduct a personal gym membership as a business expense could raise red flags with the IRS, so it's important to separate personal and business costs clearly. Zen Business can form your LLC and help you stay compliant so you know which expenses qualify as deductions. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.